Okay, so maybe you own an AirDoctor 3000 and want to get into it because maybe it's all dirty on the inside here. You want to get at the motor. The most difficult part of disassembling this thing is getting this front panel off. So for starters, you're going to want to take out the two screws, one on this side, there's one on the opposite side, way down in there. And then this panel needs to come off so that you can break this piece free. So what you want to do is get like a trim tool. So like a plastic trim tool, you buy this at like Harbor Freight, and you're gonna wanna get in here and take this pin out first, and I'll show you what this looks like on the back side. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, which all line up here, 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 and here. So if you can get a little trim tool in, pop that, that's gonna take this whole front off. You will need to take out the two Phillips #2 screws that are here and here, and then this whole panel will come off. All of this will be down in. There's also a push pin here, 3 across the back and one on the opposite side of this. And then there will be a screw in this slot and a screw in this slot, all the same size, Phillips #2. That all comes off, and then you can lift this whole rig right off once you've broken it free, and then just be mindful of the 2 ribbon cables on either side, which are wrapped around that side and once around there. And once this is off, you can service this whole inside and then break off the other side if you want to get at the motor. But for now, that's how you get the top part off, so you can clean out the top return. So enjoy.